Pop quiz. A patient with increased intracranial pressure is prescribed Mannitol. Place the following steps for administering Mannitol in the correct order. 1. Monitor serum electrolytes and osmolality. 2. Use an inline filter when administering the medication. 3. Check the vial for crystals before administering and warm the solution if necessary. 4. Monitor urine output and assess for signs of dehydration. You have to use all of these steps, so let me know what you're going to do first, second, third, and fourth. All right, so our patient has ICP and we're going to be giving mannitol. The first thing you're going to want to do is number 3. Think about the nursing process. The first thing you're doing, what? Assessing, getting information. Check the vial for crystals before administering. Why? Because this solution can cause crystals, especially if it's cool. So you're going to check the solution for crystals and warm if necessary, right? Then the second thing you're going to do is number 2, use an inline filter when administering the medication. Why? We want to make sure we don't get any crystals in that patient's bloodstream. So we've actually assessed the patient, we've gotten information, then we performed our nursing intervention, we gave the solution. What's the next thing we're going to do? We're going to evaluate, did it work? We want to see what's going on with our patient. How are we going to do that? Number 1, we're going to monitor the serum electrolytes, we're going to check the osmolality, and last, we're going to monitor the urine output, because remember, guys, this medication is going to cause them to lose fluids. We're going to see, is this working? What is that urine output? And we want to make sure we didn't overcorrect the problem, right? We could have overcorrected the problem to the point that this patient's now dehydrated. So of course, you're going to assess for that. That's the order, guys. Remember, whenever you're prioritizing, you got to remember, number 1, the purpose of whatever it is that you're doing, and always go from least invasive to most invasive, and always think about what can kill your patient fastest.